In this figure, you can see a single bacterial parent cell giving rise to many daughter cells through cell division, that is binary fission process. You can see the multiplication of bacterial cell in the figure. Now we'll see the process of binary fission. In the process of binary fission, the bacterial cell elongates first. Okay, the bacterial cell elongates first, then the protoplasm divides mitotically and results into the formation of two parts. Meanwhile, the plasma membrane just at the middle of the cell and between the two parts of the protoplasm forms a constriction. The constriction grows inwardly and finally forms a transverse plate between the two parts of the protoplasm. Then the plasma membrane of the transverse plate separates the two parts of the protoplasm. Okay. As the process proceeds, the cell wall forms a constriction just at the middle in between the plasma membranes of the transverse plate. The constriction of cell wall grows inwardly and forms a transverse wall between the two plasma membranes of the plate. Transverse wall is also called as septum. That green color part you are seeing it now, that we'll call it as septum. The transverse wall thus formed splits the parent bacterial cell into two equal daughter cells. These newly formed equal daughter cells grow in size and they behave as the new bacterial cells. In the picture you can see the barrier formation in the center of the cell. That green color we'll call it as transverse plate or septum. Then it divides the parent cell into two. It separates the cell wall of the parent cell and separation occurs. Finally, we'll see two independent identical cells.